Hi there! This is just a quick video to show you how to log into Google Classroom using a student email. So first, what you're going to want to do is navigate to classroom.google.com. So just type that into your address bar there, press enter, and it'll take you there. So these are all of the Google Classrooms that I am a part of already. You won't see these when you're first logging into Google Classroom. But once you get to classroom.google.com, you're going to want to sign in. So if you have other people on the computer who are already signed in with Google accounts, they're going to show up here. If not, it's just going to say sign in here. But if you do have other people using Google accounts on here, what you're going to do is you're just going to click on add another account. And then again, you're going to use another account. And then you are going to enter in that student email. Those student emails should have been sent out to each parent with that student email in there. So most of them are the first 5 letters of the last name, followed by the first 3 letters of the first name, followed by 3 digits. So for example, if I were doing my name, Allison Gifford, it would be Giffo, first 5 letters of my last name, first 3 letters of my first name, and then my 3 digits, and then it would be at my.jordandistrict.org. Make sure that you get that my before the jordandistrict.org, my.jordandistrict.org. Then you'll press next. It'll have you put in your password. If I press next, it'll just say that this isn't a real email because it was just an example. But I will show you what it looks like once you get to that password page. So you'll put in your email. It'll ask you to enter your password. That's going to be that 7-digit student number, also known as the lunch number. And then once you put in your password, it'll take you to that Google Classroom screen. You should see Mrs. Gifford's class on there. You should be able to just jump in there and get started. If you don't see that, then that's when you can click on that join class button up here in the corner. So press that plus, press join class, and then enter that class code that I have given you. You should just see this automatically once you sign in with the student email and password, but just in case you don't, that's why you also have that class code. Okay, if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.